Welcome back to Tools and Tactics. Nobody saw this coming. Get it? Saw this coming? Because it's a saw. Also, check this out. This freaking skill saw fits in this DeWalt T-stack. Yeah. That's crazy. Of course, this thing also fits in the DeWalt T-stack. But leave it in the comments below if you can fit any other circular saw, even a 12 volt, because typically all your circular saws have a motor bump out. But this is inline, belt fed. The belt's right there. Let me know what you think. So this was an accidental find the other day. I just happened to set this in this box. It fits. And it latches. Pretty cool. Let me know what you think. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.